So funny.
Casi se lo acaba ya. Mira, él está deprimido. Mira. Pobrecito. Are you okay? Mira, voy a comiendo. Mira.
Yeah. It's so funny. A cat eating cake. It's almost too funny.
Yeah.
Casi se lo acaba. Me da miedo el gatito. Te estás creando como humano.
Oh, he's sticking up his head now.
No, si lo creara como humano, le pondría una chamarra.
Oh, what Johnny is holding. Oh, he just popped his head down.
Ay, qué
Let's
bonito. No, pues sí, hay que comprar.
Okay, he's gonna pop his head in. 3, 2, 1. Zero.
Un animal.
Mira.
It's like yo.
Wow. Hey, wait.
What?
Oh, damn it, changing. Who's being depressed? He's even crying.
What happened?
I don't know, you took over your seat after you left. You see how depressed he looks? I'm just like, are you okay?
I didn't even cry when he's eating cake.
What time? I just wanted to. And then she started reading.
Oh heck, I got
¿Quieres
checked my
el oso?
phone.
Look at him.